informed that we are currently refueling the aircraft. As a safety precaution, please unfasten your seatbelt. We also kindly ask that you refrain from using your electronic devices, such as laptops, mobile phones, and tablets. Smoking and vaping are strictly prohibited as they pose serious safety risks to everyone on board. If you notice any instances of smoking or vaping, please report them to the cabin crew immediately. Legal action will be taken against individuals who violate these safety